Our future presents many challenges that threaten global sustainability. Meeting these challenges will take out-of-the-box thinking and new ideas. Do you have an innovative clean tech idea that you're ready to bring to the marketplace? Well, the world needs you and your vision. Cleanstart and the other members of the Blue Tech Valley Consortium are here to help you get started. I'm Gary Simon, founder and chairman of Cleanstart. We founded Cleanstart to help those with great ideas see them succeed in the marketplace without making so many mistakes. In this video, Cleanstart and its experts summarize and share the steps to becoming a clean tech entrepreneur.
Being an innovator requires persistence and dedication. It's not easy, but it's necessary to secure our future with innovative solutions to emerging threats to sustainability. You can innovate with an existing business, or you can be an entrepreneur and start your own business. Regardless of which path you choose, the questions you need to answer are the same. The important point is that you can do it. Many others have and are now reaping the rewards, but your chances of success are much better if you follow some easy steps.
Most people start by worrying about where to fund the development of their idea and building a prototype right away. That's not the best place to start. Investment capital is plentiful for good, innovative ideas, but establishing whether or not your idea is valued is important before seeking investment. If you can make a compelling case for your vision and can justify your projections, acquiring funding will be much easier.
Contrary to popular advice, a business plan is actually not the ideal starting point for innovators. Before developing a business plan, you need facts on which to found your business. Begin by creating a 9-part business model canvas. It is all about collecting evidence and validating or changing your guesses about your product and its place in the market. The first part of this process is identifying your potential customers and finding out if you would supply a product or service that they would truly value.
It is really easy to make legal mistakes in creating a business, but the good news is that many nearby law firms will be glad to explain those basics for free. So take advantage of that help early on.
Roughly 70% of tech startups fail because they're making a product or offering a service that is not in demand. This large percentage of failures demonstrates the potential for startups to waste time, monetary, and emotional capital. But why do so many fail? Because they didn't research if there was demand for the product they sought to supply. Instead, many startups devote their resources to creating a prototype or building a team or designing a website, just assuming people would clamor for their product. Then, if demand did not meet company expectations, panic would ensue among leadership, rank and file employees, and investors. Shortly thereafter, another startup fails. It makes much more sense to start by trying to find out if you would have customers clamoring to buy your product beforehand and adjusting your vision to the desires of your potential customers upon doing that initial research. This ready, aim, fire approach sounds so obvious and simple. Why would anyone do it backwards? The most obvious things customers value are saving money and saving time. But think more broadly. Can you eliminate hassle? Can you allow customers to do something they simply could not do before? Interpret what a customer says they value, and then convert that into offering them something they never knew they needed. Customers wanted faster horses, and Henry Ford gave them the Model T.
In a customer discovery process, you might find that the party most interested in your innovation is not the final user. It is a manufacturer that sees your innovation as a way to improve an existing product that they already have. It is a vendor that sees your product as something that they can also sell to their existing customers. Your customers may not be numbered in the millions. Actually, they may just be a handful of established sellers of other products, and that could be a good thing.
Learning about who your customers really are and what they value is a huge positive step in increasing your chances of success as an innovator. It's a big step just switching from the typical ready, fire, aim to the better ready, aim, fire approach. These are just two of the questions in the Lean Business Model Canvas, but they need to be answered before moving on to the others. The other questions include, how are you going to reach your customer? Over the internet, door to door, through distributors? What are the competing products and services, and how do they compare with yours? What are your unfair advantages that you will overcome your competition? Patents, loyal customers, great customer service? What are key forward-looking measures that show you are succeeding? Rate of growth in new customers, increased sales productivity? What resources do you need? A shop, an office, an accountant, a contract with a manufacturer, a cash flow loan? What are the costs of making, selling, and delivering your products? Be sure to include that administrative cost. What will be your forecast of revenues? What evidence do you have for the rate of growth in sales? Looking at all of these, will you be profitable? Will your revenues exceed your costs? If so, you have a commercial idea. What's next are an indication of how buyers might value your business once it is profitable. If you're an innovator seeking to make an impact on the world by bringing your product to market, Cleanstart and Blue Tech Valley can help. We can serve as a gateway to the resources and training you need to boost your startup to success faster. We offer classes, workshops, and advice. We can point you in the right direction. Networking puts you in the loop about new opportunities, resources you could use, funding sources, deadlines, and leads on customers. You also need to find out what learning resources are available so you know where to look for advice and inspiration. You can go to our website to get a list of resources. You can also use the website to sign up to be notified of all future events. And if you want to learn more, make sure you subscribe to our channel.